traffic control. Let me know we're on schedule. Might get in early. This tailwind keeps up.
Gentlemen.
Whoa, what are you doing? This area's off limits.
Listen to me. I'm a U.S. Air Marshal, okay? This is Tom Baker. He's an engineering consultant for the TSA.
Autopilot's disengaged itself. We're losing altitude.
Someone has hacked into the navigation system. They're trying to bring the plane down. Hardison, we need you.
Yoke's non-responsive. It's like stirring cement. We need a reset now.
Not yet.
No, not yet.
10,000 feet and dropping fast. $9,000. 8,000.
Hey, reset.
Now!
Flight computer's playing. I'm regaining control. It's back.
5,000 feet. 4,000. 3,500.
That's too steep. We're gonna have to set down. Find me a runway.